Everyone, welcome to Eva's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking one of my favorites, and that is a beef curry. I hope that you'll enjoy this recipe, and please do try it and share your photos on Eva's Kitchen Facebook. Let's go to the kitchen. Right, let's cook together. Let's go through the ingredients. So we've got some beef, and this was marinated with some chopped ginger and garlic. We've got some chopped onions, some turmeric, cumin, coriander, seed powder, chili flakes, black pepper, and we've also got these really amazing seeds. So we've got Star Anise, green cardamoms, and some cloves. I've listed all the ingredients in the description box, so do have a look just in case I leave anything out. I've also got some water, some yogurt, some coriander leaves, and tomato paste. Let's get started. Put some oil in the pan, add in the seeds and give it a good stir. This will bring out all the flavors. Now let's throw in our onions and saute until translucent. While this is going on, I tell you what, the kitchen smells amazing. Now we're going to put the chopped ginger and garlic into the onions. This again would bring out all the flavors. There will be some remaining garlic in the meat, that's fine. It will still cook and it will come out beautifully. So we're going to give that another stir. And next we're going to put in the beef. I do have to mention that you need to add a bit of water before putting the beef in so it doesn't get a shock, and your beef will come out really nice and tender when you do this. So add in the beef and give it a good stir, and we're going to add a bit of water, give it a stir again. And we're also going to add all the powders, so our turmeric, our black pepper, coriander powder, and all the other dried ingredients. Pour them in now and give it a good stir. That looks amazing. I tell you what, it tastes great. I gave it a little bit of taste and it tastes amazing. So now let your beef boil for about 20 minutes on high heat until the meat is tender. Now we're going to thicken the sauce by adding some tomato paste. We'll add in our yogurt as well. Give it a good stir. And yeah, we're adding the yogurt now. Give it a good stir. Add some coriander leaves at this point. Look how lovely the sauce looks, and it smells amazing. So put in the coriander leaves, give it a good stir, and we're going to allow it to simmer until you see a bit of oil floating on the top, and then you know it is cooked. The beef is tender, smells amazing. I did mention this, but I did add salt at some point, so do add some salt to taste. And now let's serve with, I'm serving mine with rice. You can have it with naan bread or whatever side dish you want. Some people enjoy this with dumplings as well. It's absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Find us on Facebook, give us a like. Bye bye.